and secondly, then I have some ragi dosa or rava dosa, or like probably you can eat idli, so these kind of things. One thing कि at least पिछले 8-10 साल में मेरा एक भी किलो बढ़ा नहीं है या एक भी किलो घटा भी नहीं है. I'm just stagnated. I absolutely am a true Indian. I love Indian food and Chinese. But Indian like मुझे पता है क्योंकि जब मैं abroad गई हूँ, मुझे इतना मैंने सल्क किया है ना इंडियन फूड के बिना, मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ इंडियन. लाइक जब वो 8-9 मंथ्स जब मैं पुणे में थी और पानी पूरी नहीं मिल रही थी ना, मुझे बहुत रोना आ रहा था. सो आई रियली कांट लिव विदाउट पानी पूरी.
So, hi, Babis on Mayapuri magazine.
हाय,
So let's-
थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी.
Yeah. So let's do what you eat in a day. So are you ready?
श्योर, ब्रिंग इट ऑन.
Yeah. So are you one of those blessed souls who can eat anything and get away with it?
No, I can't say I'm a blessed soul because I do like suffer from a lot of problems. But like yes, I can say one thing कि at least पिछले 8-10 साल में मेरा एक भी किलो बढ़ा नहीं है या एक भी किलो घटा भी नहीं है. I'm just stagnated.
Okay.
So मैं घटती हूँ लेकिन मैं बढ़ती नहीं हूँ luckily.
What do you usually eat for like breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Well, right now I am doing a lot of lifestyle changes. So I usually for breakfast, I first of all start my day with either soft jeera ka pani or probably methi seeds, soak it all night methi ka pani. And secondly, then I have some ragi dosa or rava dosa, or like probably you can eat idli, so these kind of things. And though my nutritionist has told me not to have chai also, she's told me to cut chai, but I can't live without chai. So thoda to मैं पीती हूँ यार. Like how can I live without chai?
Around what time do you have your last meal?
My last meal, she's told me to have it around 8:30. It should be done like as soon as possible because then by the time you eat in the morning, then there'll be a fasting of so many hours.
Right. Are you an early riser or night owl?
No, I'm not a very early riser, but yeah, I try to wake up by 9-9:30 at least. So that फिर breakfast, lunch सब कुछ time पे होना चाहिए, सब कुछ timely होना चाहिए.
Okay. Your favorite meal of the day? Breakfast or lunch or dinner?
I'm a dinner person because actually I go out also a lot for dinners. I love meeting up with my friends or my family, and I like to try different cuisines. So I'm definitely a dinner person.
And your favorite cuisine?
I absolutely am a true Indian. I love Indian food and Chinese. But Indian like मुझे पता है क्योंकि जब मैं abroad गई हूँ, मुझे इतना मैंने सल्क किया है ना इंडियन फूड के बिना, मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ इंडियन खाने के बाद लाइक बिना.
What time of the day is best for workout according to you?
Well, see, it's not always necessary that you have to just wake up early morning because I have an extremely fit brother. My brother is like one of the biggest examples of the house. So you can work out in the afternoon also. And when I also used to work out, I used to work out at 4 o'clock. That's also okay.
Okay. Any strict no-no in your diet?
Yeah, strictly my nutritionist has told me no gluten, so it has to be gluten free, and no milk, like milk products. Because honestly, today now, all that is really ruining people's systems and people's gut especially. सबके gut खराब है.
Your favorite healthy munchies?
Like yesterday I was eating in the night. I really like makhana. I really because उसमें इतने सारे flavors हैं. या आप घर पे भी roast करके थोड़ा सा मैं अपने डब्बे में लेके जाती हूँ shooting पे भी. Yeah, you can also have rice crackers which are baked. So those are some amazing healthy munchies, and popcorn also you can have once in a while.
Okay. Favorite street food?
Oh my God, pani puri, obsessed. मतलब
कब
अगर
आई
मैंने
आप?
पानी पूरी नहीं खाई तो मैं डिप्रेशन में चली जाऊंगी.
Okay. Your favorite dish for a cheat days? Cheat days कुछ करती हैं आप?
एक्चुअली पता नहीं क्यों बट मुझे कोविड में ये एहसास हुआ है कि मैं पानी पूरी के बिना नहीं रह सकती हूँ. लाइक जब वो 8-9 मंथ्स जब मैं पुणे में थी और पानी पूरी नहीं मिल रही थी ना, मुझे बहुत रोना आ रहा था. सो आई रियली कांट लिव विदाउट पानी पूरी. बट या समटाइम्स व्हेन आई एम रियली डाउन और आई एम हैविंग सम हार्मोनल इश्यूज, माय कंफर्ट फूड इज ऑल्सो पिज्ज़ा बिकॉज पिज्ज़ा इज समथिंग आई टोटली अवॉइड बिकॉज पता नहीं वो मुझे टोटली ब्लोट कर देता है. सो वो मैं लिटरली मुझे अवॉइड करना पड़ता है. सो लाइक बट देन वंस इन अ व्हाइल इफ आई हैव टू चीट इट विल बी पिज्ज़ा ऑल्सो.
Okay. Any lifestyle changes you have made over the years?
Well, as I mentioned, big time. टू गॉड्स ग्रेस राइट नाउ मैं जहाँ भी जा रही हूँ सब लोग मेरे वेट लॉस के बारे में ही बोल रहे हैं. कल रिद्धिमा पंडित ने भी एक स्टोरी पोस्ट करी थी कि लुक एट वाबीज इज जॉ लाइन, हर जॉ लाइन इज बैक,
sweet.
yeah, and she said you're looking like my old babzu. So like basically because everything has been replaced with something healthy. Like I mean from rice it's gone to brown rice, it's gone to quinoa, it's gone to ragi, it's gone to this, what do you say, rava dosa, like something like that. So and a lot of salad, kheera, because you need a lot of fiber for your body. And of course my dietitian has added a lot of supplements, and there's something called DIA juice बिकॉज आई एम डायबिटिक. तो वो हम डालते हैं मेरे पानी में या मेथी के पानी में, बिकॉज वो मेरे शुगर लेवल्स को कंट्रोल भी करेगा. सो लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस, एंड ऑब्वियसली शुगर इज पॉइजनस. सो जो मुझे अभी भी डिफिकल्ट लगता है, बट आई हैव कट डाउन अ लॉट. लाइक इवन आई वांट टू ईट आइसक्रीम्स, आई ट्राई टू ईट शुगर फ्री आइसक्रीम्स और एनीथिंग.
Great. Well, thank you so much,
Thank
Abis,
you.
for sharing with your all, I think, diet, fitness.
Thank you. It was a
routine.
fun segment.
Do you want to give some tips for your fans also related to fitness or some diet?
Well, yeah, a lot of them do ask me that how have you lost so much of weight, ma'am, and this and that. Actually, it's good we did this segment because I today like told you guys everything what I'm doing, and remember, guys, nothing is impossible. Like you just have to put your mind in it, and whatever shape or size you are, वो तो मैं पहले भी बोलती थी. Like it's just very important to be healthy, because when I used to endorse even body positivity, I was never endorsing that you should be unhealthy. You should be healthy, and like just try to eat right. And another thing that I've really added to my day is meditation. Try to listen to some meditative music, positive music, or probably some guided meditation. And for few times a day, like breathe. Like my nutritionist has told me to do conscious breathing, because हम लोग इतने फास्ट पेस लाइफ जी रही है कि हम लोग ब्रीथ भी नहीं करते. सो एड ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड यू विल सी अ बिग चेंज.
Great. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.